So right here I was just showing the difference between a couple of cameras that I have that I use more often than not. I use this Canon camera right here mostly for my YouTube videos and for images for my website and videos when we go out and things like that, pictures and stuff. But I really like this camera because of all of the features, the Wi-Fi feature, the flip-out screen and all that good stuff. But it's not really good for me to take out every day, like when I run to the store, when I want to do a little bit of vlogging or anything like that. So I opted for an older camera. What is it? A Canon PowerShot camera. Yeah, it's this little small camera that I have right here that my son is trying to take from me. But this is what I use now when I go out to the stores and stuff because it's lightweight and it's easy to put in my purse or in my pocket or whatever. I could take it to the park and to the museums and things like that. So I really like this camera, but I'm still looking to buy another camera. I have so many different cameras now because I do so many different things and I need those cameras for different things for my website, to take pictures and all that good stuff. But yeah, I like this one now because it's lightweight and it's easy to carry. In today's video, I woke up extremely late in the evening after working until 4 a.m. at the hospital. I was not scheduled to work, but our unit had a high patient census, so I decided to go in for a bit to help out. Anyway, this is just me and my son getting things in order before I start to process my customers' orders and make another total mess of things in a different area of our home.
Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you for the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys.
So my little hair, my wash and go is Looking like it's a no mo.
In my car.
Your car? That's your car? You trying to show me your car? You don't want to see your car?